I think a bully can stop being a bully by trying to be friends with the people that they've already bullied and asking them if they could forgive her or him. And if they can, then they can become a friend to other people as well.
Yeah, if the bully says sorry to the people that he's bullying or she's bullying, and then give them a reason why they're bullying, and then ask if they could be friends.
I think a bully can stop being a bully because they can think about what they've done and then go up to the person who they've bullied and tell them, I'm sorry that I hurt you physically, verbally, or through social media.